And a lot of people weren't happy. But if I get quiet, it's because I'm recording, sorry. But I'll listen to you. Oh, everything's still dry there, huh? What's, if you can't hang a snake on there, what else can you do? I don't know. I thought it was something like something in the wind or something. I don't know. Maybe, or on the fence or something. I don't know. Yeah. Did you find Jonathan?
I have 3 entries showing at 13:18, 8:26, 8:44, and 8:49.
Okay. Well, one thing we won't have to worry about mowing the grass, will we? Yeah. That's the way it is. Were you going with Mac tonight? Hey. Oh. Okay. There's... Okay. Float in the swimming pool. Sounds good to me. They're not coming home till the 9th. Mom and Dad should be coming home today, I think. Today is Sunday, baby. Are you off work tomorrow? So you don't have to go in at all? I mean... other stuff. Okay.